right? So, really nice. This is how it looks pretty historic, you'll think, and no it isn't. Let it be modernised. And this one is actually a new one, so at least got the golden doors, which I really like. Notice these 3 light buttons, so it's time to take a ride in one. And I just missed the lift. Here's a nice lift. Yeah, these are supposed to be some semi exhausts. Let's go to 6. Wow, bone beep! These are bog standard panels. Here's some old, some semi exhausts now being modernized by engineers. Modernized by OTIS with these are OTIS Mod logic. Yeah, 6. Now let's set the like on 6. Close down. Yeah, basically you have to nice directional arrows. Yeah, directional outside. I can't show them because I actually hit them up button. Yeah, when I get out on the uplift, I'll show you what they look like. Here we go, ground. And now let's take a ride on the farm. I'm going to take a look at the farms on the viewing lights here. And this lift is different. So this lift is a new Gen2. So go to 6. Ooh, yeah, this is a brand new OTIS Gen2, which was installed and modernized the lift. So yeah, this is a new lift. So which do you prefer? Old mod Gen2s? Okay, it took a long time to start. Actually, I think it's slower than the other lifts. Yeah, it's slower than the other lifts. Welcome to floor 6. Just at that clip. So, and as I will. No thanks. I'm an elder confused by court. Now, let's see if this is yeah, I got to see nice directional arrows. Sadly not lit up because it was caught by reception. It was opposite reception. Luckily they didn't mind. Yeah, don't really get on lift it. No, not hidden treasures. Welcome to the ground floor. This one, cheers.